Hey you guys, I just parked at the airport. I am going to Vegas this weekend. I am so excited. I've got my Vegas hoodie on. I decided to just drive and park at the airport because I'm literally only going for 36 hours. So come along with me. Alright you guys, we just checked in to our room here at the Flamingo. Let me give you a room tour. Alright, starting off in the bathroom. Very nice. We have a shower. The lighting, again, the lighting is really good. Don't mind me. I literally just got off a 2-hour flight. Anyways, the bathroom is beautiful. I'm excited to get ready in this lighting. It's superb. We've got a beautiful closet right when we walk in. That'll be so nice to hang up my clothes. Don't mind my phone, but we have a full body mirror, which we absolutely love, so we can check out all of our fits. Check this out. We have a full living room with a table and a couch. Literally stunning. Full screen TV. Not just one TV, 2 TVs. Beautiful king-sized bed. We love it. I don't think you can tell because it's night, but there's the high roller, and the other side of the Flamingo is right there. So I'm assuming in the morning we might have some beautiful views. Okay, I am low-key super impressed with the hotel room. This is not what I expected when I checked in, but this is beautiful. The big bed, the living room area, are you kidding me? It's gorgeous. Good morning. It is about 6:30. I just woke up. Finally sunny outside, so I figured I'd show you the view we have here at the Flamingo. But this is beautiful. We can see all the way over to the high roller. Looks like I have a little glimpse of the Venetian, Harrah's. Down here, I think this is the flamingo habitat that Flamingo has. Looks like they are doing some construction over there. And then we have the other Flamingo building. We can see Carlos and Charlie's. Overall, pretty impressed. Nice, bright, open view. Okay, I'm finally up. I look so tired. I don't think I got the best night's sleep. I went to bed early, like maybe 11, but I did wake up at like 4 p.m. or 4 a.m. So disregard how exhausted I look right now. I'm gonna put some curls in my hair because I do have some work calls this morning to complete before we go explore. All right, I'm out walking the Link Promenade and we're gonna try and find some breakfast. There is so much more to do in Vegas than just drink or gamble, and we're gonna go do something right now that I bet you're not expecting. Come with me to Speed Vegas. Just 15 minutes from the Vegas Strip, you can drive luxury supercars, go for a ride-along, go off-roading, or even race go-karts. When I first got there, I walked around checking out all of these insane cars. I'm talking Ferraris, Lamborghinis, the whole shebang. You can take pictures with them, sit inside them, and just get really up close and personal with some of the world's fastest cars. It was so cool. Then it was time for the real action. I got fitted for my helmet, met my driver for my ride-along experience. We hit speeds over 140 miles per hour, drifted across the track, and let me tell you, my adrenaline was absolutely through the roof. It was so much fun. If you're in Vegas and you're looking for something epic to do, this is definitely it. found the easiest and cheapest way to drink through Vegas, no planning needed. The Royal Crawl at the Link Promenade gets you 5 drinks at 5 different bars, no reservations, no cover, just good vibes. And trust me, these bartenders were pouring heavy. You crawl at your own pace, go with your own group, and you get a playing card at each stop, and at the end of the night, the best poker hand wins. One of my favorite things about this crawl is that all of the bars are super close together, so you get to check out 5 entirely new spots without walking miles between them. If you have ever spent a day in Vegas, you know that that is a blessing. If you're gonna be in Vegas soon, be sure to use code COURT50 for 50% off your ticket, and note to self, when they say bar crawl, they mean it. So we are eating lunch right now at Flights, which is in the Miracle Mile strip right next to Planet Hollywood. As you guys know, that's my favorite hotel here in Las Vegas. And the coolest thing about Flights, the restaurant, is everything is in flight form. I'm going to insert some footage here of everything that we ordered. Here it is so fully immersive. The waiters and waitresses are wearing flight attendant outfits, and when you check in, they're like, follow me to your seat number, and then they tell you your table number like it's your seat number. So it's just really fun, and everything's really reasonably priced. They have a great happy hour deal. Come eat with me at Flights in Vegas. If you've got a big group, can't decide between sweet or savory, or you just love a good happy hour, this is the spot for you. Flights is famous for its flights of drinks, margaritas, mimosas, Bloody Marys, you name it. But they take it a step further with food flights too. Think eggs served with chicken, steak, and pork, pancakes with strawberries and bananas, even burgers, tacos, fries, wings, and salads. There's something for everyone, whether you're keeping it or sharing with friends. The best part is they have a rotating happy hour all day, every day, 3 drinks for only $15. Located inside of the Miracle Mile shops, this restaurant is a first-class experience. The servers are dressed as flight attendants, there's a giant plane hanging from the ceiling, and the whole atmosphere is just a vibe. No passport required, just bring your appetite and get ready for a first-class feast. Okay, we just finished eating brunch, and then we walked over to the Museum of Illusions. It's right above the Ross, which is right next to the Aria, and we're about to go through. I'm so excited. If you're looking for something family friendly to do in Vegas, then don't miss out on the Museum of Illusions. Located right in the middle of the strip next to the Aria Hotel and the Shops at Crystals, this interactive museum is a great way to beat the heat and capture some fun photos and videos with friends. The museum takes anywhere from 45 to 90 minutes, and they have so many different rooms, visuals, and even educational sections. Be sure to check this out the next time you're in town. Okay, welcome back. We just did a little shopping. I cannot even express to you how full I still am from our brunch. Like, I'm not gonna fit into any of my clothes. Anyways, we went to Francesca's, and look at this cute dress that I got. I think I actually might wear it to dinner tonight. So cute. So the plan is, we just rested a little. I took like a 30-minute power nap, and now I'm gonna freshen up. Look, I also got this little bow, put it in my hair. So cute. I'm gonna freshen up. I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail, and then the evening festivities shall begin. All right, we are dressed for dinner. I put my hair in a slick back pony with this cute little bow I got today at H&M. And then this is the dress that I bought. Let me back up so you can see it. Ta-da! I feel very pretty, and I'm excited for our dinner. We're going to Vanderpump at Paris, but we still have, I don't even know why I looked at my watch. I have no idea. We still have some time, so we will go explore and I will check in later.
All right, you guys, we just got seated here at Vanderpump Paris. This restaurant is so beautiful. The ambiance in here is incredible. We just got served these little complimentary shots, and they gave me 2. So I took one, and I will take the second one in just a second. I have to let it digest. But anyways, I just ordered a dirty vodka martini, one of my favorites because they have blue cheese stuffed olives. And yeah, so I will show you when my food arrives. I don't know yet what I'm gonna get. The menu is quite extensive. Let me show you. It's so beautiful. Food, dinner just arrived. We did the buttered prawns with pasta. Look, oh my god. It smells fantastic. So excited to try that. Then we got the 30 layered potatoes. Like, I don't even know how someone does that. But look, and it came in the cutest little ramekin. Is that what it's called? A ramekin? Anyways, it came in the cutest little pot. So we have 30 layered potatoes, filet steak. We did chef's recommendation, which was medium, and it come with some blistered potatoes and a couple little sprigs of asparagus. So, yay! Oh my god. Let's see if I can do it in Italian. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Well, there's only 15 layers to my count, so we'll just say that they're double. This looks delicious.
Let's go eat dinner at Vanderpump in Vegas. This restaurant is absolutely beautiful. I started with a dirty vodka martini because they have blue cheese stuffed olives, which are my favorite, and they brought out a complimentary pink shot, which was such a fun way to start dinner. We started with the goat cheesecakes, and they were so good. We then ordered the truffle stuffed baguette, and it was drizzled in this sweet honey. It was so good that I ended up putting one in my purse to eat for later. For our main course, we ordered the cast iron fillet and butter prawns with pasta, and both of these were fantastic. They make their pasta in-house, and the steak came with a cognac peppercorn reduction. I cannot stop thinking about it. For our side, we chose the 30-layer crispy potatoes with Parmesan cheese, and they were to die for. If you find yourself in Vegas looking for a good date night or even just dinner with the girls, this is the perfect spot. And who knows, maybe you can run into Lisa herself.